Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of wine accessories with what we believe is the best champagne bottle chiller on the market, the OGGI stainless steel double-wall wine cooler. So, what makes this wine cooler stand out from the rest? Let's take a closer look. First off, let's talk about insulation. The OGGI wine cooler boasts a double-wall construction, which means it keeps your white wine or champagne at the perfect serving temperature for longer. No more worrying about your bubbly losing its chill. But it's not just about functionality. This wine cooler is also a stylish addition to any table setting. With its sleek stainless steel design, it seamlessly blends in with any decor, whether you're hosting a fancy dinner party or a casual gathering with friends. And speaking of hosting, the OGGI wine cooler is versatile enough to be used both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're setting up a cozy dinner by the fireplace or enjoying a picnic in the park, this wine cooler has got you covered. Now, let's talk value. Despite its high-quality stainless steel construction and superior craftsmanship, this wine cooler is affordably priced, making it a fantastic investment for any wine enthusiast. Plus, it's easy to care for. Simply hand wash it after use, and it's ready to go for your next gathering. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a wine cooler that combines style, functionality, and affordability, look no further than the OGGI stainless steel double-wall wine cooler. It's the perfect companion for keeping your favorite wines chilled to perfection. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of top-notch products. Until next time, cheers!